We have ourselves here a microphone from Maono. I hope I'm still pronouncing it right. Bought a few products from them about 3 years ago and it worked really well. So I decided to buy this microphone. The link will be in the description, and I'll also be doing a setup video going over all the settings, all that. But this video is just for the unboxing and overlooking all the, like, I want to see if that's plastic or metal, if you guys can even see that. I want to see the quality of the build. Comes in a box about this big from Amazon. You can also buy it from their website. The link will be to the Amazon Maono link. I'm pretty sure they have their own software. I was looking at it. I really hope they do have that. Oh, also I'm going to be live streaming all weekend with this. This is what I'm going to be using for my live streams now. Podcasting microphone kit Gen 2. They have a lot of different stuff on their website that they offer. That isn't even in English. The hertz it runs on, the software, USB dual interfaces. It looks like it runs up. Can you guys see it now? Looks like it runs a plug that I don't have, and then USB-C. We'll be running USB-C. Has an equalizer adjustment. All the stuff I don't know anything about, but it had good reviews. I've never set one up like this, so I'm actually going to ask my friends along with the software, see how easy it is to set up. Then we got the back of the box. Is it better to just shut the light off? No. Okay. If you guys want to read all that, just pause it, screenshot it, zoom in on your phone. Frequency response, the pattern. It's nice, it shows you everything. This would be great on display at Best Buy or something because you could see everything that it comes with. Type-C connector. Looks like it's almost an adapter right there. See how that may pop off? We shall see. And then there's their website. It is Gen 2. Ooh. Nice thick manual. Oh, with pictures. Sheesh. Perfect for a guy. We will go over this right now. User manual. I'm sure you can get the user manual on their website too. Comes with a wind foam pop filter. Is that what that's called? It's showing a USB-C to USB-A, which is fine. Fine with me. Very nice quality photo too. If you guys want to see all this, pause it, screenshot it, zoom in on your screenshot. Nice pictures of how to assemble. I'm probably going to do it on this video and totally butcher it. USB-C wraps around and then goes into the bottom, so USB-C on the bottom. But it also has the port for all the fancy stuff, which I do not have. Looks like it'll just pop up on your computer. We'll be installing this on a Windows 11 computer. I don't know if I'm going to be singing into it. What's this? What's the difference between these two? Capture sound correctly. Honestly, don't see the difference between these two photos. It's like what's hidden. Right use of microphone, recording voice. Most of that should be easy setup. Most of this menu is actually disappearing on Windows 11. They're kind of doing away with that right now. I don't know if this is probably, oh yep, Apple. I was like, that kind of looks like an Apple computer. Link guide. Don't really look at this because most likely it's had an update, and I will live stream. I'll go over that later. And then I'm also going to trick my friend. That was the end of English. They even do pictures for the other languages. That's really nice. Let's see if there's anything in the back. I'm actually going to trick my friends, and I will show you on the video. I'm going to join Discord with my friends and just start talking to them and see if they even notice the difference. And we'll get their real response. So hopefully it's good. Helpful tips. 4 to 8 inches away. How to get louder recording sound. If you guys want to read that, again, screenshot it. Pause it, screenshot it. Look at your screenshot. These mics have so many settings you can do on them. get down to what is in the box. We went over the manual. I'm not going to call these anything what they're supposed to be called. A wind something. Where's the cheat sheet? That's nice and thick. Just looking at it. I don't know what all this stuff is. I actually told someone earlier this was a tennis racket. This is the only thing I've actually pulled out of the box. I just wanted to make sure it didn't get broken in transit, scuffed up or anything, and it's all looking good. Nice and firm. Wherever I put it, it's going to stay there. Everybody says that fills up with spit. We'll find out. Oh, on the other side we have ourselves a plastic top with a metal thread. A little bit of foam there. It is curved, which is nice because you can also still put a straight desk piece in there. The bottom is plastic. The top, oh, that spins. So if you hold it still, it'll spin and still get tighter without spinning that. Some of these have metal bottoms on them and they don't spin very well. That one spins really nice. Also, it's threaded, so if you do break that off, you can probably get most likely get a new bolt. Looks it's metric. So that's good. We have this thingy. I don't know what all the names are. Nice fabric in there to hold it still. Is this like a vibration thing? Yeah. That's good movement. Nothing even makes a sound when you move it. Like these aren't banging against anything. Nice. Looks like you can also replace these if you needed to. If you had a rubber band or something, if these broke, they're not permanently integrated into this. They're all in like little hooks. That's nice. That is metal. That's nice. Metal insert, not plastic. That doesn't spin. That's all metal. Metal. I like the metalness. Yeah, it may weigh a little bit more, but if you're grabbing this to move it closer to you, all these pivot points are hurrying up and pivoting, and if they're plastic, they're just gonna break. Okay, what do we have here? Let's start with this. This is the mount I was talking about. Them don't spin very well, but this is on your desk, and it's also underneath. That's nice and metal. Plastic top, but metal threads, of course. Nice pad on there. And that thing is overbuilt. That is nice. You ain't gonna bend that. Let's pull that out and see how good the threads look. They're nice. Good. I like to look in there and see if they put an insert in there, because if you tighten this down, the insert could just pull out. And that's not an insert, that's actually threaded in there. That's nice. Looks like a plastic sleeve. I think I'm alright on that. Sorry if I'm moving it too quick, but it's metal. It's gonna hold up. You're not gonna be moving it around because this goes in there. I think this is just a different mount. Nope, I'm wrong. Sorry. Now for the cord. Definitely got some length on that. We got USB-C that goes into the microphone. Then we have USB-A that goes into your computer, or USB-C for updated computer. We're gonna be using USB-A, sadly. Let's see how long this sucker is. I'm gonna guess because I don't want to measure. I'll measure it real quick with my foot. 1 foot, 2 foot, 3 foot, 4 foot, 5 foot, 6 foot, 7 foot. I'd say it's an 8-footer. Good, so it's not just their adapter, their special adapter. So that's USB-C to USB-C or USB-A. Microphone will be last. Got some cord management. How many we got? 2. We got 2 with it. Cord management, if you know how these work. Slide it around. It'll hold your cords. Love these things. I didn't want to tear them apart because I got so many of them. I'll use my extras I already have. Oh, here we go. What's this? Beads. So we have, it's nice and lightweight. That's thicker plastic than I thought it was going to be. Whoops. So we have ourselves. Oh, you can hear that spring. It's not too stiff, I can't open it, but it's stiff, it's going to stay where I put it. Definitely going to have to put that mount pretty stiff on the desk. This will slide into there. I wanted it to still move. I didn't put it in there fully. I just wanted to see how good the fit was. Nice fit. That is hollow, so you don't want to tighten that too much. Oh, the sleeve will stop it from crushing this, so that's nice. Just looking at the build quality. Double spring. If you guys want to buy me a new tripod, let me know. It's on my Amazon wish list. Double spring on both sides, top and bottom. Let's see what it looks like fully extended. Oh, woo! That's straight out. So it went straight out, no problem. Let's see how many feet that is. 1, 2, 3. About 2.5 feet. I made it a little bit easier. That is plastic, but it's a lot thicker plastic. Look how thick that plastic is on that nut. A lot thicker than some other brands. It'd be nice if it was metal, but it still works and it's thicker, so I assume that will last longer. I don't know what else to show on this. Oh, does it have the adapter? Nope. For some reason, I had to get a different size one time. I think it was because I was putting a camera on it instead. I had one of these long ago, but it was, oh, that, okay, I pulled this out. That's heavy. Let's see what else is in the box. Air. Okay. The pride and joy. Has some good weight to it. We are looking at a USB-C and 1, 2, 3. There's 1, 2, 3 in there if you want to rewire it, I guess. Rewire your own wiring. Made in China. Maono. Nice metal, not the plastic covering. Some foam in there. Man, it's just really nice weight. So let's go ahead and see if this just slides on. Ooh. Okay, it does just slide on. Okay. Not like I can wet that and put it on. Sorry that went on camera. I was concentrating. And now we have a mushroom. Yeah, that fits on there nice. Does it spin? No, it wants to stay right where you put it. That's really nice. Comes right down to the logo. Let's screw this into here. The next video will be the setup on my desk. We're just seeing how it all fits. That is... that fits there. Does it still spin? Okay, so the shaft here spins if you want to spin it around. And then this will stop it from going up and down, which that's metal, thank goodness. And then we will slide this into here. Oh, that thing needs opened. Oh, hold these two things. Maono goes forward. Does it keep it in there nice? Yeah, I can't even slide it. That's great. Then just pull that and it comes right out for karaoke night. You can put it in as deep as you want. I'm gonna put it right about there. Let's see if it can hold itself up being extended. Yeah, get me a new tripod, please. Let's see if it'll start going down by itself, by the weight. Nope. Let's see if I loosen that, if it'll do it. No, God, that hurts my hand. Yeah, that nice and stiff. But if I wanted it to go down, let's see if it'll go down. Oh yeah, nice and stiff. Perfect weight management. Let's see if I can do something else. It's kind of aggressive on it. Oh, geez, that's hard to do. That's straight out. Still not moving. That's great. I want one that I can rely that it'll be where I want it when I need it. That'll stay, but I just didn't tighten it enough. There, that'll stay. And then we have this, which I was going wrong and saying that goes on a desk. It don't go on a desk, it goes on this. And then I guess we could put clear out here and see if it passes the weight thing again. Kind of doing tests that are unrealistic, but as you use a device, it does get worn out, and we'll start to do stuff like that. Start moving on you. There we go. That's how I got it set up for this video. See if it'll go down now. Oh. Nope. That is heavy on there. And then I can move it. Nice. Look, it starts going up automatically somehow. Well, let's make sure the USB-C fits in there. Yep, with a click. That's good. Like a confirmation that it's in there. Did not come with the other cord, but most people aren't going to be using that. And again, the link will be in the description below. Stay tuned for another video of me setting this up with the software and my live streams with it, and to see what my friends say when I all of a sudden join with a different voice, because these things make your voice sound drastically better. Thanks for watching.